but it always gets worse before it gets better. So I'm gonna pass these lockers down to Alana. Girl power is what I say. Lottie, what are you doing? Hey guys, so it is Monday morning, time to start a new vlog, and this vlog is gonna be documenting Alana and I cleaning out my prop loft. This is so sad. Let's actually like flip to what this looked like when I did a video on it, and it looked so pretty. We just have too much stuff and it's not organized and we don't even know what we have, so we end up doing shoots and like not using anything up there because it's just way too packed. So what we're gonna do is take everything down, see what we have, organize it all, and then put it nicely back up there. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Okay. So we're making headway, but it always gets worse before it gets better. String lights, so many of them. Whoa, so many light bulbs. Oh my God, Alana, we've been buying light bulbs all this time. Okay, some planters, a table. Okay, I think I'm gonna move on to this side now. I'm thinking I'm actually gonna get rid of these lockers. They were a really good idea in theory, but they're just like packed with stuff and I don't think it's a very good use of space. These are all shelf brackets. Yeah, I was like, she's like dying. Lottie, you gotta stay in there for a bit. Twist ties, decorative batteries. Because batteries are batteries are one of the most difficult things to make like look cute in photo shoots or like video shoots. So I found these rainbow batteries. Adorable. Okay, Lottie, maybe we should actually let her out. Lottie!
Hey.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Lottie? Lottie? We've got a value pack of beads, electrical tape, 18,000 notebooks. Do you guys ever hit a point of organizing when you're like, nah, I think I'm done? That's me. We've only been doing it for 15 minutes. Making progress. I'm thinking I might keep this third locker. This is filled with paint. I find that paint just looks messy and it's hard to organize if it's not corralled in something, so thinking we're gonna leave this locker up here. So I'm gonna pass these lockers down to Alana, hoping she doesn't die in the process. You won't die, don't worry. Here we go. Yes, Alana. Girl power is what I say. Look at all of the stuff. Oh my goodness me. So all that's left up here is some stuff in this corner. We have the paint locker, which I think I'm gonna leave here. Now what we're gonna do is just go through everything, see what we wanna keep, take pictures of everything, so that when Alana and I are planning shoots, we can just look at this document of things that we have in the loft space and pull from that, because we have so much stuff that we just haven't been using. And we need to get rid of it so we can bring in more things. So now we just have to deal with all of this. Now we're just gonna bring everything into the living room. We're gonna start with a category, take everything that fits in that category, place it in the living room in a pile, and then start organizing. These are from HomeSense. They're so cute. I don't want to use these for myself. I love how they have this like irregular kind of like not even edge. So pretty. I really can't believe this was all up there. So guys, we've organized everything into piles. There is so much stuff. What is this? So I'm heading out to a meeting, but Alana is going to continue organizing everything. She's, yeah, gonna put things in boxes, label them, take photos of them. And then when I get back, we're gonna put it all in the loft. Seemed like way more overwhelming when we started, but I actually think it's gonna be good. Okay, see you later. Bye. Okay, back from the day of lots of meetings. Alana's been working so hard to get this all organized. So this has all been photographed, all been put into baskets, bins. So satisfying, and it's ready to be put up into the loft. All the plant pots as well. Hi, lots. I have all this wall space, and wall space is so great for storing things, especially when you're in a small space, because then we don't have to store it on the ground and take up, you know, the limited floor space that we have. So I'm thinking of hanging a few things up on the wall. This is what the loft is looking like so far. I've hung a couple things up to save space. Things are organized in baskets. It might not look like as pretty as you guys would expect it to, but it is so much more organized into groups. We can just come up here. There's like space to walk, not really walk, but kneel. Also, a fun hack. I hung my wreath, my Christmas wreath, on this wall, and it's such an awkward thing to store, especially if you live in a small space. So just putting like a picture hook up there and then hanging it on the wall is a really great hack. Even in a closet or something, on the side of your closet or on the back of a door. Because before it was taking up so much space, but now it's nicely tucked away. Okay, guys, like, what? Lottie, what are you doing? Okay, it's very, very unsanitary. But you do you, boo. I feel like she probably thinks no one can see her. We're done. Alana just cut her foot open. There was like blood everywhere. That's not even being dramatic. There was like blood all over the floor. So I was joking and saying this literally took her blood, sweat, and tears. But I'm gonna flash up a before here so you guys can see, remember what it looked like. Look at it now. So good. There's room up there to crawl, to grab stuff. Looks so much better. Just to give you guys an idea of how we organized it so it makes sense. It's literally like having a shop inventory. So now we don't have to go out and buy stuff. We just we have so many props that we can use for future makeovers, which is exciting. That was a long day, hey?
It was, yeah. Worth it though.
But it was worth it. It's gonna help us out in the long run. Yeah, okay, so thank you guys so much for watching another weekly vlog. I hope you guys are enjoying them. And as always, I will see you on Friday and next